Hi, welcome back again to my channel. Today's video is about Honda CRV 2008 model. This car has been to the other workshop and they towed it in here for a reason that the customer don't want them to fix, because it's been a while for them and they didn't fix. So yeah, it was been towed here yesterday, and yeah, we are starting to check this one. uh, the car, the engine doesn't crank at all. What they have done for this car, see, everything they took it off. Yeah, battery brackets, the clutch cylinder over there, they took it off. It's a lot. And they removed the starter motor, they replaced with a new one, still doesn't start. And yeah, they took this one off, everything. That's some of the parts are here. So yeah, the same thing on the steering. The steering column cover is not there, so they took it off. That's all the parts over there. And see how it goes. We switch it on. So we switch on already. 1 2, that's ignition on, but still don't have display in here. See, nothing. There is no positive supply going to the cluster, but there is a positive supply going to the fuse box underneath the dash. But some of the fuses don't have any positive supply. So yeah, we try to figure out, and we we check we check a power supply over there from the battery to the starter motor. It's okay. Then we test this one with a power probe. Yeah, we have a snap-on power probe over here. So we have a positive supply over here, positive supply over here, positive, okay, positive, okay. This 50 fuse, this one is alright, and that's all good. All of this is going to the ignition switch, one of these fuses here. I'm not so sure if the 50 amps fuse over here. Let's see how it goes. And we have a wiring diagram for a starting system. So as you can see over here, this is the ignition switch. Yeah, so from here it's only one fuse going to the ignition switch, which supplies the power when you switch it on. So this fuse over here, that goes to the ignition switch. Yeah, so it's around, I don't know if you can see it properly, but that one is 50 amps fuse. So let's have a look over here. If we have a positive supply going to the ignition switch connector, you have to pull this one out, the ignition switch connector. Yep, that's ignition off. So this white wire here, it it's supposed to be a positive supply coming from that fuse box. So if we test it on, there's nothing, so no positive. It should be power supply over here. This is the white one. So let's have a look which one is the, so if we can see is the positive supply here is the 50 amps fuse, which is in here. So that's the positive, that's 50. I don't know if you can see it properly. Yeah, that's 50. That's 50 there. Yeah, that's one. That's 50. So, but we have a positive here. We have a positive here. This is a fuse. 80 amps and 50 amps. So at the back over here, at the back over there, there is a connector here which goes to the ignition switch. This one here. Yeah. So we pull this one out. Yeah. Let's have a look if we can get a positive here. Connector over there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see my power probe. It goes there. Yeah. Yeah, but nothing. There's nothing. There's no power positive supply coming out from this terminal. But on the other side there is here. Yeah. So means to see this circuit. The circuit board is snap or broken. So yeah, now we have to replace the whole relay box, and let's see how it try to supply this one with, we bypass the fuse box circuit. What we need to do is to just supply this wire here going to the ignition switch straight to battery, and we will check here if we got a power supply, positive power supply over here. If we have, then we connect it to the ignition switch, and let's see how it goes if we got a display over there on the cluster when we switch it on. So we try, see, we have already 12 volts positive supply over here. Then we try to put this one on. Yeah. Then we try to ignition on. See, we have already a display over here. Yep. So we try to start the engine if it is starting. Yeah, good. So we try and take it off again, the power supply over there coming from our battery. Yeah, we remove this one, fit it back again. Yeah, that one next to the green connector. So we will try to turn the ignition on, ignition switch on. See, there's no display. Yeah, so there's no display anymore. So yeah, we try to replace that relay box, and definitely it will work. So yeah, confirm. We already confirmed that the problem for this particular car is this relay box over here. Yeah, we need to replace this one, and definitely it will solve the problem. So that's all the video for now. Hope you like it. If you like, just hit the like button below and subscribe my channel if you haven't yet, and so that hit the notification bell below so that you will be notified any videos that we are going to upload. Thanks very much, and thanks for watching. See you next time.